Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will unbox this HD car camera for driving video recording. This camera is slightly more expensive than the average camera, but it is for a reason. It actually is two cameras. The second one is for the rear. The camera itself feels solid and looks well made. It does not look cheap. There are plenty of accessories, like car lighter charger, stickers to install cameras. The rear camera comes with a long cable. There is a base with a suction cup to place the camera on the windshield, and also a base stand. The package is complete and the documentation is quite extensive. This camera is 1080p high definition. It can take an SD card with up to 32 GB capacity. A 32 GB card can record 5 hours on 1080p. The video is always recycled, meaning that it deletes old recording to make room for new recording. There is also audio recording and a gravity sensor. In case of an accident, the gravity sensor will lock video files so they may not get deleted accidentally. This camera works automatically. When it senses movement, it begins recording. The rear camera can also be used as a parking monitor. Overall, this is a very impressive little camera. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.